This tutorial will show you how to permanently delete your Telegram account. Once it's gone, all your messages, groups, and contacts will be erased, and you won't be able to recover them. So, make sure this is really what you want, or make sure you back up your Telegram messages before you do this. Let's start by opening our Telegram app on iPhone or our Android phone. It doesn't matter because the steps are the same. Locate the settings icon at the bottom right and tap on it. And when we get to the Telegram settings page, we're going to click on this privacy and security right here. I'm now going to go down a bit until I find this automatically delete my account, if a way for. And this option is set to 18 months for me, which means that Telegram is automatically going to delete my account if I don't use it for a period of 1.5 years. I'm going to tap on this option. Then, delete account now. They will then give us some alternate options in order to stop us from deleting our account. But I'm going to go all the way down and click on delete. Continue. Then continue one more time. They will prompt you to enter your phone number, so just do that, and then you'll have to enter your password as the final step. Keep in mind that if you delete the account, there is no way you can get it back. So all the messages and your data will be permanently deleted. If you're sure in your decision, just tap on the red Delete My Account option, and that's it.